Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing beautiful bride Sonam Kapoor wedding makeup look. Her makeup was very simple and stunning and also perfect for summer season. Here I tried to recreate her look, so without any further ado, let's begin. First I'm going to apply Wet n Wild primer to my face. Primer makes our base makeup smooth and flawless and also keeps our makeup for a really longer period of time. For the foundation, I will be using L'Oreal Matte Magic foundation. With the help of Beauty Blender, I am blending it into my skin. Her makeup is very natural and kind of no makeup look. So if you want to skip the foundation, then just prep your skin really well and apply concealer, and that's it. That looks really nice. Next, I am applying little bit of concealer under my eyes and onto the highest point of my face. She don't use any highlighter, so I am enhancing the highest points by using concealer itself. Next, to avoid my concealer from creasing, I am going to set it by using L'Oreal Compact Powder. Moving on to eye makeup. Her eye makeup was the center of attraction, which is bold and beautiful. So I am going to fill my eyebrows by using Freedom Eyebrow Powder. So I am going to define my eyebrows really well by using brown shade from the palette. Next, I will pick up this contour shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and apply this into my crease as a transition shade just to define my crease. Then I will pick up this black shade from the Blush Nude palette and apply this to the outer V of my eyes. For my lid, I will be applying these two pink shades. Now by using clean blending brush, I am going to blend the transition color really well. I am also going to apply the same lid shade to the lower lash line. She has very nice black wing liner going on, so I am going to draw a thin line near my lash line by using Maybelline Gel Liner. Also lining my waterline by using Faces Kohl pencil. Lastly, I am applying false lashes and mascara, and the bold eye look is done. Moving on to face, her cheeks got some color, so I am applying Makeup Revolution Peachy Pink blush to my cheeks. Lastly, for my lips, I mixed Wet n Wild 2 lipsticks together and applied to my lips. Lastly, I wore jewelry and outfit, and this is how it turned out. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for more awesome videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.